Hey y'all, what's up? So I'm back with these extra long knotless braids. I really outdid myself with this one. They are so neat, so sleek, and I had so much fun doing this video. It's such a vibe. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay y'all, so really quick I'm going to show you the products that I will be using. So I will be using a Style Factor Edge Booster. Sometimes it does turn white, but this time I made sure I didn't put any other product on my hair after I washed it, so that it won't cause buildup. So I'm praying that this doesn't turn white because I need my hair to be sleeker. Lately when I've been doing my hair, I've been using this other edge control and it's just not holding. So I'm praying to God this doesn't turn white because it holds well. And then this is the braiding hair we'll be using. It's by Janet Collection. Just regular braiding hair. And I'll also be using some of my hair growth oil to make sure my hair is moisturized. And that's about it. Some clips and some combs. And I may use this beeswax as I go down to help with the flyaways. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and part my hair in the front first. This is the look I'm going for. It's the big large box braids that De'Ara have. So I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair off in the front. Let's see. Okay, and then she has a large braid at the temple. Okay, and then it's 4 in the top section, but it's like this first one is kind of going at a curve. So this is 1 braid, this is 2, this is 1. So I gotta curve this around but not too wide because this is going to be 2 braids. Okay, so now I'm left with the back and I'm just going to split this in half. Okay, so the first thing I do is take my edge booster, take quite a bit, just go around the braid. Okay, so I start off as a plait, and then my first piece of hair, I keep twirling it around my finger like this so I can get it tighter to grip. Bring this one up, bring that back, grab another piece of hair, so I'm going to take a little edge control for the ends of my hair as well. Alright, so this is where the braiding hair will stop. However, I want them really long. So once I get about here, I will take another piece. So I will split it, make it a little longer. So as you see here, now my ends are tapered. So now take that braiding hair, add it to the back of my braid, and then just continue to braid down. Okay y'all, so the first 2 is done. It's really neat. I think I'm actually getting better at these knotless braids. So now I'm just going to jump to the front because, hey, why not? Alright, so again, going in with my edge booster, using quite a lot, and just put that all around. And leave my edges out so I can do some extra baby hair. Get my section into 3. And then start off as a plait. And just add in your pieces of hair. Okay y'all, my braids are looking completely different. And the only difference is I started using the edge booster. And last time I was using this Yam Magic Fingers. Blah, 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 blah. I'm just praying to God it does not turn white. Because that's why I stopped using edge booster. But honey. So let me move to the top. Take my edge control. So this is about how much hair I use per braid. Well, I really split it up 4 times because I add a piece of hair at the end. Make sure you put product at the end of your hair so that it won't frizz really fast. Okay, so I have my 4 braids in the front. Now let's do the baby hair right quick. I'm trying to be real extra with my baby hair. You know, try to do me a little swirl over there. Y'all, I love these braids. Like, they're so neat. Like the last jumbo knotless braids I didn't do any edges, and I didn't use this edge control, so my hair wasn't sleek. It was very wavy, and I don't like that. This is lit, okay? This is it. Okay, so this is the last row. I will make it into 3. Alright, y'all, I'm finally on my last one, and it's been 2 hours already, and guess what? I haven't even braided to the ends. Besides 2. But I'm on my last one. Okay. Make sure you comb through that really well. What you want to do is try to make sure you get the braid in the center of your square as well. And I like to twirl it around my finger so I can really grip it. And then go ahead and just add in my hair. And also make sure you put your edge control on your ends. Okay, now that I'm all finished, spray, take some of my growth oil. You can go and purchase this at www.simplycloud9.com. I left my 2 locks out. These braids look good, honey. And they're long, too. You see, you really can't even tell where the hair was added. It was added in right here, but you can barely tell. Okay, so I have some pink beads I will be putting at the end. Then just put the rubber band around that. Y'all know how to put on beads. Okay, the extra hair I will just cut. Boom. Oh, it's really cute with the pink. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. I love you guys. See ya.